I never thought that I would be saving a colony of bees from a rusty old gas tank. But wait until you see how it all turned out. Did you know that a rusty, old, abandoned gas tank can be a sanctuary for a colony of bees? Crazy, right? These tiny creatures are so important to our ecosystem. And today, we are diving into a rescue mission that you don't want to miss out on. Hey everyone, if this is your first time seeing my videos, hi, my name is Marnie. I am a beekeeper in the beautiful country of South Africa. I've been keeping bees now for over 2 years. On this channel, I am giving you guys some really great insights into beekeeping. I give you some tips and tricks on how to become a better beekeeper. I also educate the public on the necessity of having bees in our lives. Today, I have a wild story for you guys. We are going on an unexpected adventure as I share with you guys how I rescued a colony of bees from a rusty, old, abandoned gas tank I found at a restaurant close to my apiary. Trust me, it's not your everyday rescue. And it might just change the way you look at these incredible pollinators. Picture this for a moment. I was out in my apiary. On my way back home, I stopped at an amazing restaurant on the side of the road. I truly love their food and their drinks. And whilst I was there, still being dressed in my beekeeping equipment, the owner stopped me and asked me if I can do a special bee rescue. He had a set of bees that was stuck in an old abandoned car's gas tank, but he wasn't sure where they were exactly, and he needed my expertise to have them safely removed and rehoused, as he thought having them in my apiary is a much better option than where they are right now. I decided to put on my bee suit and go and have a look at where these beautiful ladies were making their home. Whilst doing an inspection throughout the car, I realized that these ladies had turned the old abandoned gas tank into a bee sanctuary. And the reality was, it was quite a bee sanctuary. This was no small hive. This was a hive that was established for quite some time. It was huge. I then went there. I created my rescue plan and I cut the ladies out of the car, because I think that was the best way to actually remove them, was to physically cut the tank out, and then I brought them to my medical yard. This is where I then went on to do the actual extraction of the ladies. This was quite an interesting expedition. I really enjoyed working with the ladies, and just to give you guys a little bit of a teaser, they were so big that I had to house them into 3 separate bee boxes. So that is a lot of bees, and I am really excited to have them as part of my apiary. Let me show you guys how I took these ladies out of their gas tank and into their new homes. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. For you guys out there that are looking towards doing some bee removals and potentially relocating some honeybees into your yard, this is one small pointer I want to give to you guys that really helps me when I need to frame up the comb of the bees. So what I would normally do is I would always have a bottle of elastic bands with me, as this is a great way for you to connect the comb in the frame to the wires via an elastic band. I'm going to show you now how you practically do this, and this is a great way to ensure that the comb stays in place and gives the bees enough time to connect the comb to the sides of the frame. The best part as well is that the bees are fairly smart, and once they have connected the comb to the frame, they will then go on to actually chewing off the elastic bands, snapping them off and pulling them out of the hive. So they will even remove them for you and discard them on the outside, so you can simply place them in the bin. Isn't that just amazing to think how these small little creatures has the ability to do such magnificent things? Phew, what a journey this was. In the end, I successfully extracted the bees from the gas tank and got them relocated into their beautiful new homes. I do believe the bee boxes are going to be a much better home than an old gas tank. It is incredible to think how these magnificent small creatures that pollinates our entire world is able to create a home practically anywhere, even an old abandoned gas tank. Now remember, every bee counts, and they play such a crucial and vital role in our ecosystem. Now I'm going to show you guys the 3 hives that I had put these ladies into, because yes, there was a lot of bees, a lot of comb, and surprisingly enough, there was a lot of baby bees. I was expecting them to have a little bit more honey, but I'm very glad that I took them out when I did, because their honey stores was basically emptied out, which meant that they were on the brink of starvation. But now they're in their brand new boxes, busy thriving, and yes, I am feeding them, so they are going to make a really good recover and restore all of those honey stores they so desperately need. So let me show you guys these ladies. What did you think of this extraction? Have you ever encountered bees inside a gas tank, or maybe just around your home, or maybe some unexpected places? I would love to hear your stories of the really interesting places that you have found bees. And if you enjoyed this adventure, guys, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the notification bell. If you did find the video entertaining and enjoyed watching these beautiful ladies coming out of their gas tank, please hit the thumbs up. It really helps a channel like mine to spread the bee love to everybody. Let's keep spreading the love for our buzzy, amazing friends. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a bee-rific day.